What is important to understand about me and the blonde is that there's no plan B. This is our home. This is everything we have. This is everything we own. We don't have anything else. So that catamaran in there, well, in there is everything. And it's about to be suspended in the air for about half an hour until we are splashing. The boat says to the sailor, keep me safe from land, I will keep you safe from sea. And we need to keep it safe.
Hi guys, so my work for today is to measure the chain and paint it for every 10 meters. My plan is, yeah, every 10 meters. We have 70 meters of chain. So right now I have to measure everything. I'm so tired because I have to I went to the shop to buy the spray because here in Motril there are no shop whatsoever, or there is one but it doesn't have anything, so I kind of walk like 5 kilometers. It's, for me, it's a very long distance. We have only 2 days for do all the jobs, so I'm I have to rush it a little bit to finish in time and to wait it completely dry the paint. So yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Won't you stop by to stay? I'm a better man with your love than without. In the sea, I may never make it out. In the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. I'm sick of
We don't know. So the old owner of this boat, Mark and Penny, they told us that in South Africa people add cayenne pepper to the antifouling, and apparently that's normal. That's people just do it there, and I think it actually actually there's something behind it because you see here, this has been in the water for a year now. Most of the time stopped. Like we stopped for 7 months and the boat had another 7 months before that not moving, and there was absolutely pretty much nothing attached to it. So we asked the guys on the marina that they're doing our antifouling now. We are putting the Hempel one to do the same again. So they added cayenne pepper to the whole thing. So con la punta. Eccola lì. Com'è?
Aspetta che mi allontano. Mi sembra... Sei tu davanti però. Vieni qua anche tu.
So we are ready to splash. We were actually ready yesterday, but there was a lot of wind. We splashed at Aldo's boat and it was a nightmare to get off the... I don't know the name in English. It's called vasca in Italian, but essentially where they splash it is like a really small tiny harbor that fits your boat where the crane works. And we splashed it yesterday him. It was a nightmare to get out of it because of the wind, so we decided let's splash tomorrow. That gave the time for the guys of Triton, really nice company, Janmar assistance here in Motril. The guys came and did everything. We have now 2 fully reviewed and serviced engines. We changed the sail drive oil, we changed the motor oils, we changed all of the filters, all of the separators, the water decanter, everything. So engines are now fully serviced. That will be good for the next year, maybe 2 years, depending on how much we motor, but everything was done. So now the guys are gonna move the crane and we are gonna be on the water finally. That's the moment we are really afraid of. Sailors, we don't care about, high winds and seas and long passages and stuff like that. Sailors, this is the one thing that we really are scared about.
Shake it like a bartender. Team with me and they all winners.
Si sta staccando la barca, quella in mezzo alle balle lì.
Bene, meglio ancora. Hey guys, so cool day today. We are going to leave finally also the BoatYard tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday, and there's not gonna be that much of wind outside, which means not much of wave, because we need to be really close to the coast for the orcas issues. Perfect. But the cool thing today is we got our ECC hardware. So one thing is, you guys know I want Furuno on my boat every time. I don't trust pretty much any other technology and instruments, and the same way I want my hardware to be ECC. Not sponsored, by the way, I just fucking love the brand. So this is what obsessing with a brand looks like. The enamel loops, ollie blocks, ollie rings, and even smaller ollie rings. So now we are ready to start rigging. Yellow.
officially leave Motril.
Finally!
Finally,
Well,
starting the season of this year.
yeah,
We're finally free.
with nowhere to go. We tried, so we learned one thing. No marina, no Spanish marina in this area will respond to an email or to a call to anything. So we are just winging it now, right now. We are gonna go. The difference between a clean hole and a dirty hole.
Tell me.
When we left there with a dirty hole, it's important to say hole and not hole. A hole. We were doing 5.5 knots with 2,000 RPM. Now we are doing 6.1 knots with 1,700 RPMs. That's the
Wow.
difference between clean and dirty.
A lot of difference.
Yeah, so that means lower consumption and everything else.
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in.
It's because I want to create our catamaran doesn't have a whisker poles or spinnaker pole for that matter. So normally it relies, come with me. Normally it relies on the size, right? So the beam in this boat is 7 meters. So normally relies on the separation that you have between the two carts for the jib, right? So it's one here, one there, and that separation will give you a little bit of up and but days like today, we really will need to have this put out more. So my plan, and the reason why I bought so many of these ones,
Out of my head. I know you understand. Bring me into golden sunlight.
so we have been on the water we have been traveling for what, about 4 hours now, 5 hours maybe. We are 6 hours out of destination and all good. A lot of dolphins. The dolphins is a good sign because what my understanding is that where is dolphins there's no orcas.
Hi guys, we just arrived in Benalmádena and we are checking in right now into the marina because there were no anchorage outside to stay, all prohibited, or the few that we could anchor was open and not really sheltered. So yeah, we will stay a night in the marina and tomorrow we will leave for Gibraltar.